Hi, it's Ryan Gray here. I wanted to have a quick chat about when it's okay to run with trial and error and when it's not. Now, in situations where the risk is low, it's usually pretty fine to work with trial and error, to figure things out for yourself, to basically put the time and energy in yourself to figure out if something's going to work or not. When the risk is high, though, you really don't want to be, rolling the dice, I guess, on something that, has a high cost, has a high risk, anything like that. So you really want to be looking at, okay, things like low risk, baking cookies, riding a bike, you might get a scraped knee if you come off, when you were 6 or 8 years old, trying a new sport, those sorts of things. They're all fairly low risk. Worst case, you're probably out of pocket, a few $100s maybe. But the high risk stuff, when you're talking like a risk of $25,000 to $50,000 trying to get a marketing campaign working for your business, you really want to be using a professional who knows what they're doing, because that's not really the kind of money that you want to be spending. You want to be able to shortcut the process and get some speed in the process rather than relying on your own learning starting from scratch. So there's actually a saying, if you think it's expensive to hire a professional, wait till you hire an amateur. And that's very true, especially in marketing. Now, I totally understand that in the marketing sphere, there's a lot of dodgy people, and it infuriates me no end because we really pride ourselves on giving an amazing service. At the same time, you're never ever going to get a good service unless you connect with someone who already knows what they're doing, who knows how to buy ads, who knows how to turn that traffic through a process into a sale, can help to coach you on the sales process and, things like how fast to approach leads after they come in, how often, the frequency that you need to be in contact with them, that sort of thing. So it's really, really important overall that you focus on where the risk is high and it comes to your business, your image, the fact of risking a lot of money to try and find out if things work. And look, this is not like the gym. It's not like, I tried buying lead once, or I tried, my own campaign once. I tried Facebook. Facebook doesn't work. I tried Google. Google doesn't work. It can't work. There's a lot of different ways to apply the technology. And what you need is someone who's figured that out already, not someone who, is figuring it out, or, to figure it out yourself, because it's a hard road. It's a really hard road to get your own marketing campaigns working. So if you do want to scale, then that's my advice on when to use trial and error and when to use a professional who's been there and done that already.